with Zuni.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my little beauties? How's your day? Today we are going to do the last Arabic letter. Yes, we have done all the 26 Arabic letters and today is the last one. And it's very easy like all the previous letters. Its name is Ya. Yes, look at this. Ya. Ya. And look at its shape. It's like this, and this. And it has two dots in the bottom. Wow! It has two tiny eyes, it means. And its name, Ya. Yes. So this is the letter Ya. Repeat after me. Ya. 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 Yes, mashallah, good job. Do you know it has another shape? We can write it like this, and this. And again two dots at the bottom. Yes. So Ya has two shapes, this one and this one.
Wow.
But the name of the letter is one, Ya. So you have to say it Ya, Ya, Ya. Yes, good job. You know what we say our hands in Arabic? We say them Yadun. Yes. So this is my right Yadun and this is my left Yadun. Yadun is a word again with the letter Ya. Yes. So Ya, Yadun. Right one and left one. Show me your right Yadun. And now the left one. Yay! High five! Oh, what is the Yom today? Today is, I think, Thursday. Yes. So Yom means day. Yom, Yom. Yom is an Arabic word, starts with Ya, and it means day. So today is Thursday and tomorrow will be Friday. What is the day in your country at this time? And there is a surah name also starts with letter Ya. It is Yasin. You know, Yasin is also the name of our Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. People called him also with the name of Yasin. So there is a surah in Quran with this name, Yasin wal Quranil Hakim. Mashallah. These are the verses from Quran, which we start after Arabic lessons, inshallah.
Yes!
ياسين والقرآن الحكيم إنك لمن المرسلين على صراط مستقيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم.
So now you have to practice all the Arabic letters from Alif to Ya. And when you will get master on it, then we'll start Quran, inshallah. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.